पार्ट इसका 10 मिनट में इजीली खत्म हो जाएगा। पर हमारा आग्रह यही है कि अगर आप पढ़े तो आप उसको अच्छी तरह पढ़ें, बेशक पूरी पढ़े या 1/3 पढ़े, पर पढ़े जरूर। तो जब हम अपना पाठ करते हैं और सुबह जब हम भगवान को याद करते हैं, तो कल मैंने आपको बताया था कि जो आपका सही समय उठने का ये ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में है। और आजकल आपका जो ऐप आता है अपने स्मार्टफोन पे, उस पे वेदर पे जाके आप देख सकते हैं कि आपका सूर्य उदय होने का टाइम क्या है। सूर्योदय आजकल कोई 6:05, 6:10 पे होता है। तो आपसे मैंने ये आग्रह किया था कि आप कम से कम 1 घंटा पहले इसके जाग जाएंगे और उसके बाद आप अपना जो ये काम है शुरू करें। So I'll try to explain this what I've said in English also. Babaji had said that Hirakandeshwari Sapshakti consists of 3 parts. The first part belongs to or is in honoring Mahakali. The second part Mahalakshmi, and the third part is Mahasaraswati. So it is best to read the whole Sapshakti every day. But Babaji also said he knows that you are very busy people. So you can do 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. So you can do the part of say Mahakali one day, next day you can do Mahalakshmi, and third day you should do Mahasaraswati. But the Bhairav Stotra you must read every day. So I hope you all understood. And then when you get up every day in the morning, also I'm quoting Babaji that it is best to finish your part in japa before sunrise every day, because this is known as a Brahma Muhurat. This is the time when gods listen to us. And I asked Babaji, what happens after that? He says, my office also opens and we get very busy. So the idea is that you should do your, the remembrance of the gods or your morning ritual before sunrise. First you have to do the part, whatever you are reading, and I have also explained in the last 5 days that you should at least read the Hanuman Chalisa, which is a Shakti part which will be finished in this 5 minutes. And the second thing I am adding today is that if you have to read, you should read at least 1 chapter of Hirakandeshwari Sapshakti. जब आप पाठ करेंगे, पाठ खत्म हो जाएगा, तो उसके बाद मैं आज आपको जो वैदिक जो प्राणायाम है वो एक बार फिर बताता हूँ, जो कि श्रीमद् देवी भागवत में लिखा हुआ है कि प्राणायाम, ये जो प्राणायाम है ये कई किस्मों के हैं। तो आप जहां पे भी जाएंगे कोई ना कोई आपको कोई नई चीज बताएगा कि नहीं ऐसे करना चाहिए, कोई कहेगा वैसे करना चाहिए, पर मैं आपको बाबाजी वाला बता रहा हूँ और वही चीज श्रीमद् देवी भागवत में भी लिखी हुई है। वो है जब आप प्राणायाम करेंगे तो आप पहले कम से कम 11 बारी नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग करें। तो कोई लोग भाग के आ रहा है, कोई रात को ठीक सो नहीं सका है, किसी को कोई सुबह कोई टेंशन है, नानक दुखिया सब संसार आप जाते ही है, तो आप अपने आप को एक आध बैठ के कम से कम नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग करें। और उसमें नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग के करने के लिए जो बेस्ट मंत्र है वो गणेश जी का है, ओम। मैं जब ऊपर सांस खींचता हूँ नॉर्मल, अभी कुछ बंद नहीं करना, जब सांस आप खींचे ओम गणपते नमः, ओम गणपते नमः, ओम गणपते नमः, ओम गणपते नमः, ऐसी 11 बारी अगर आप कर लें, उसके बाद फिर आप प्राणायाम शुरू करें। प्राणायाम में दाहिना अंगूठा, दाहिनी नासिका आपने बंद करनी है, लेफ्ट से आपने श्वास अपना ऊपर खींचना है और 18 बारी ओम आपने करना है। ओम काम करिए, ओम ओम ओम। जब 18 बारी आप ओम काउंट कर रहे हैं तो उसको श्वास की कहीं जाने ना दे, उसको तीसरी फिंगर से बंद करके रखें और पकड़ के रखें और फिर 18 बारी आप ओम करें, ओम ओम। और फिर दाहिनी नासिका से नीचे श्वास को बाहर निकाल दें 18 बारी ओम काउंट करके। साइकिल हुआ, आपको ऐसे कम से कम 3 साइकिल करनी चाहिए। ओके,
इधर 18 क्यों?
ये लिखा हुआ है 18 है, उसके जो बैलेंस है उसके लिए लिखा हुआ है 80 ओम। कोई और अगर आप कुछ कर रहे हैं तो वो कुछ ओम में फर्क हो जाएगा, पर ओम 18 टाइम है। एनीवे, so I'll explain this in English that first when you, this is the beginning of pranayama. You get up in the morning, you sit down and you regulate your breathing without closing anything. And best mantra to do is when you take the breath up, Om Gan Ganpate Namah, take it down, Om Gan Ganpate Namah, in a relaxed mood. And do it 11 times and you are all set to do the pranayama. Pranayama, when you start, there are many types of pranayama. I'm cautioning you that you may go to somebody else and he might teach you a different pranayama. But the pranayama which has been taught by Babaji, which is also written in the Vedic mantras in the Srimad Devi Bhagavad, is as follows. That you sit down, your right thumb, you close your right nostril and pull the air up from your left nostril, counting Om 80 times. Om. You hold it here, don't let the air escape, keep it here, count Om 80 times. And now you release the breath from your right nostril, counting Om 80 times. Pull the air up again, counting Om 80 times. Hold it here, get it to the center with both your fingers, count Om 80 times. And release the air from your left nostril, counting Om 80 times. This is one cycle of pranayama. You have to do minimum 3 of these cycles. ये मैंने अपनी किताब में भी लिखा हुआ, आप लोगों को हम किताब दे देंगे। आप हिंदी में भी है, इंग्लिश में भी, कौन सी आप पढ़ना चाहें और हिंदी की दे दें, उसमें सब ये लिखा हुआ है। So now you are set to do your jap. People call it japa, but I call it jap. The correct Sanskrit pronunciation is jap. J-A-P. That's it. Not A-N-D-N. So if you take your mala now, you suspend the mala on your 4th finger. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and Hasana is 5. So on the 4th finger, which is your ring finger, you suspend the mala and you are not to use your 2nd finger. 2nd finger, you are not to use. So 1st, 3rd and 4th finger are being used. And if you hold it slightly lower down, like I am holding it, it is easier rather than trying to do it in the center of the 4th finger. The lower down it is, the more easier it will become for you. And you have to do the first round or 108 chantings of Om Gang Ganpatiye Namah. Those of you who don't know much about Lord Ganesh is a son of Lord Shiva and Parvati. He has been given this boon that anything which is started, any puja, any dance, any recital, anything, you start a house construction, you start a new job, you do Ganesh puja first. This has been given to him because he did something fantastic for both Lord Shiva and Parvati, and he was given this boon. So the first mala will be of Ganesh ji, Om Gang Ganpatiye Namah. I'm not going to do the full mala, I'm going to do it only 11 times, but you have to full. It is 108. And I told you yesterday that on our fingers, we don't count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We don't count like this. We start from the number 5 digit, from base on 5. That's number 1. 1, 2, and we go, clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? So, you have to do one full mala of Ganesh ji. Om Gang Ganpate Namah. 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 Om Before you start Om Namah Shivaya, you will do 11 times the Mahamrityunjay mantra. So Mahamrityunjay mantra is of two types. One is the long form and one is the short form. The long form I do and Shastriji does, many people here do, which is like this. Om Ram Jumsa, Om Bhurbhuva Swaha, Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam, Urvartme Vandanan Mrityur Mukshmaptat Swaha, Bhuva Bhu, Om Sa, Jum Ram, Om. This is the long form. You need not do this long form. Only people who are slightly in the second stage you can use it. You can do the short form, which is very simple. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam, Urvartme Vandanan Mrityur Mukshmaptat. Stop. So you can do 11 of these and proceed to Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya. One pause here. You have to look between your two eyebrows. Between your two eyebrows in the center where your third eye is supposed to be. Or you look at the tip of your nose and you picturize Lord Shiva. Mantra jap or jap is nothing but meditation but with a mantra. Mantra meditation. So you are doing meditation but with a mantra. And whose picture do you have here? Lord Shiva. So Lord Shiva for all of us is Babaji. So we picturize Babaji here in the third eye or at the tip of your nose, whichever is convenient for you. Many people want to look here in between the two eyebrows, third eye, and many people find this at the tip of the nose is easier. Your choice. We'll continue. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. It is Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya. So I finished the 108 malas, 108 chantings of Om Namah Shivaya. And how much to chant? Om Namah Shivaya. If you take out the Om, Namah Shivaya, it's 5-lettered, 5-symbol, mantra. And for each syllable, you are supposed to chant 125,000 times, which means 5 into 125,000 times is 625,000 times. If you chant, do more than 20 malas a day, number in 1 year's time. And you reach stage 1. मैं ये बता रहा हूँ कि कितना मंत्र आपको चाहे ये करना चाहिए ओम नमः शिवाय का। ये पंचाक्षर मंत्र है। अगर आप ओम नमः शिवाय में से ओम बाहर निकाल दे तो नमः शिवाय 5 अक्षर का मंत्र है। और ये पंचाक्षर मंत्र का हर एक अक्षर के लिए आपको 1.25 लाख बारी ओम नमः शिवाय करना है। यानी कि 5 इंटू 1.25 लाख 6,25,000 6,25,000 बारी जब आप ओम नमः शिवाय कर लेंगे तो आप पहली स्टेज पे पहुंच जाएंगे। फिर दूसरी, फिर हर बारी जितने 6.25 लाख तक होंगे। और 6.25 लाख मंत्र इतने मुश्किल नहीं है करने। अगर आप 20 माला रोज की करें तो आप एक साल में 6.25 लाख मंत्र पार कर देंगे। फिर आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि आप एक स्टेज पे पहुंच गए? अब आपको मैं एक सीक्रेट बताता हूँ। So I'm going to share with you how to at 625,000 or in multiple of 625,000, twice, whatever, how you will get to know. What experience will you have? You can have any experience. Babaji can come to you, Lord Shiv will say something. You can get, once I got very nice smells coming, divine smells. But what happens normally is that when you are looking here, suddenly, stage light goes on. You are sitting in darkness and suddenly a 500-watt bulb, starts lighting up. Extreme, I would say light starts. That's what happened to me. So it is not that you will see that, for many months, many years you keep doing it, and one day God Shiv says, okay, I am now satisfied, you are on the right track, and the bulb comes and tap. And you start seeing, extreme, light. You may have another experience. I'll just share you with my experience. So, happy chanting in Bhole Baba ki Jai. Jai. Tomorrow we will do the Hring mantra. Ain, Hring, Kling, Chamundra Viche. Ain, Hring and Kling are the seed mantras, beach mantras. Tomorrow we will do the Hring mantra.
बाबा की जय। ओ श्री श्री महाप्रभु जी पधारे। श्री श्री काशी विश्वनाथ भगवान पधारे।